Hello, I'm Sesamoid. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life, and today we are going to talk about classification of bones. Previously, we discussed about the definition and the composition of bones, and also the vital functions. Today we will discuss on the classification of bones according to shape. According to shape. So let's begin with long bones. Long bones. They have an elongated shaft or diaphysis and two epiphyses at the end. An elongated diaphysis or shaft and two epiphyses The long bones, they have an elongated diaphysis or shaft and two epiphyses at the ends. Now, in long bones, there are three subtypes. Firstly, the typical ones, the typical long bones. They are the humerus, ulna, radius, I'm just writing it down, humerus, ulna, radius, which are present in the hand, the arm, femur, thigh bone, tibia, and fibula. These are in the leg. Hand, arm, actually, and leg. The miniature long bones. Which have just one epiphysis and diaphysis or shaft. They are the metacarpals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Modified long bones. The modified long bones are like the clavicle. The clavicle does not consist of a medullary cavity. That's the reason it falls under modified long bones. Now you might take a look at the board. Moving on to the rest of the type of bones. Continue. Short bones. Short bones are either cuboid shaped or scaphoid shaped. That means boat shaped. Scaphoid. shaped or boat-shaped. Examples are the carpals and the tarsals. Carpals, tarsals, etc. The carpals are present in the wrist or the hand, wrist, like that, and tarsals in the ankle area, Again, short bones are cuboid shaped or scaphoid shaped. That means boat shaped. And examples are carpals, which are present in the wrist, and tarsals in the ankle area, and there are many more. Moving on to flat bones. Flat bones, as the name suggests, are flat in shape. And together they form the boundaries of body cavities. Many flat bones form boundaries for body cavities. For body cavities. That means hollow spaces like that. Examples are the bones in the cranium bones, sternum or breastbone, present here. Sternum. Ribs, like I'm writing in bracket, breastbone. Ribs. They form the rib cage and the scapula or shoulder blade. Scapula is a part of the appendicular skeleton. It's present here. Again, flat in shape, they generally form boundaries for body cavities, and examples are cranium bones, sternum or breastbone, ribs, scapula, or shoulder blade. Irregular bones. As the name suggests, these bones have a weird shape or irregular shape. Or a surface. Examples are the sphenoid. The sphenoid is a bone in the skull. There's only one sphenoid, that is one of them, and the first and second cervical vertebrae. Again, irregular shape or surface. Examples are the sphenoid, which is present in the skull. There is one sphenoid. The first and second cervical vertebrae. These are some of the examples of irregular bones. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to the rest of the types. Let's continue. Pneumatic bones. Pneumatic. Note that there is a P in the spelling of pneumatic. There are some irregular bones, which there are some irregular bones. With hollow spaces lined with epithelium. Those are pneumatic bones. What is epithelium? Epithelium is basically an animal tissue, which is a constituent part in human and animal bodies, and they are present on every kind of organ. So over here also, there are some irregular bones with hollow spaces lined with epithelium. Some examples are the sphenoid, and the ethmoid bone. Sphenoid and ethmoid both are present in the skull, and both are there's only one sphenoid, as I said previously, and there is one ethmoid. Moving on to Sesamoid bones. These are small bones embedded within the tendons of muscles. Small bones embedded into the tendons of muscles. Muscles. They are covered in hyaline cartilage. And lubricated with synovial fluid and bursae, which are sacs of synovial fluid. Synovial fluid. Or bursae, as I said, sacs of synovial fluid. Examples are patella and the tendon of quadriceps femoris. Tendon of quadriceps femoris. and flabella. In the tendon of the lateral head of gastrocnemius. Lateral head. Of gastrocnemius. Gastrocnemius is basically a muscle present in the lower leg, and it is divided into two sides, and flabella is the bone in the tendon of the gastrocnemius's lateral head. Lastly, accessory bones. These bones are not always present, and they are just from ununited epiphyses which develop into separate bones. Example, sutural bones. Generally, the sutural bones are the Wormian bones. Are present in the lambda region. That means it's over here. This region is called the lambda region. The sutural or Wormian bones are generally not present, but if it is, then generally in the lambda. In medical legal practice, these bones are mistaken to be fractures. As fractures. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.